What are we doing today, Vatos?
We're cutting wood.
What kind of wood we cut?
Firewood.
What you think about them glasses?
I don't know.
What's in the arsenal?
We have a couple chainsaws today.
What we got?
We got the 291, then we got the old 290, and then we got your favorite, the 180.
When I woke up, I cannot lie, I could not walk a straight line. Still hell-bent on whiskey high, once again asking myself why I had to stay up till we were dry before I closed my eyes. I'm glad that God wasn't out last night, He would have struck me down on sight. I'm tired of devil not out, I'm tired of kissing the ground. Time to turn around, or at least the sun goes down. Well, now that the sun is gone ahead and gone down, I put my halo on my shelf and head on out to raise some hell if I don't first end up in jail.